to a level where they have more than 5,000 people flying for them, having the cars flying under Goa Miles. Is that not a story of success? Do you not see it growing? Goincho Taxi Patron scheme was a small initiative launched by me at that point of time under the auspices of our Honorable Chief Minister. Later on calling it Goincho Taxi Mukhyamantri Goincho Taxi Patron scheme, and that was a very good name introduced. I was calling them entrepreneur. Entrepreneur, he said people will not understand. So CM coined the word, no, you call it Patron. I agreed immediately, and we both gave this something different to whole of Goa and the tourism industry. So is it not a sign that it is growing? Because today we have 300 of those poor people flying, and who some of them are earning as much, almost a lakh of rupees per month. And these are figures which are available, that the data which is available, it is all digital data, so nobody can lie and nobody can just fudge figures.
So today with
So
1
it is
crore,
not a story of success.
so today with 1 crore passengers already, the Maharashtra government is also planning to have similar setups. So how do you look at this initiative when this same initiative is being copied in other states? And
I think ultimately it will go pan-India. It will go not only to Maharashtra, Goa Miles, it will go all over the country, because Goa is a brand name, and anything in Goa, Goa's name sells well. Which also I am also the industries minister. The industries people also tell me, when you say it's from Goa, immediately the countries want to pick it up. So that is a brand name which you have to capitalize.
तर हे मॉडेल सर्वानुरूप आहे, सगळ्यांसाठी, सगळ्यांच्या फायद्यासाठी तयार केलेलं आहे. हे विन विन फॉर ऑल स्टेक होल्डर आहे, आणि आमचा उद्देश व्यवसाय परमार्थ सोबत घेऊन जायचा आहे. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये कप्तान समाज किंवा ड्रायव्हर समाज यांना सरांनी म्हटलं आपण यांना ड्रायव्हर का म्हणायचं, तर ह्या पूर्ण मालक गटासाठी, जो वाहतूक मालक गट आहे, या वाहतूक मालक गटासाठी असं प्रोन मॉडेल तयार केलेलं आहे, ज्याच्यामध्ये सरकारी गायडन्सनुसार, सरकारच्या संवादानुसार आम्ही याला इम्प्लिमेंट करून 7 वर्ष पूर्ण केलेले आहे. 1 करोडहून जास्त लोकांचा प्रवास सोबत झालेला आहे. म्हणजे याच्यापेक्षा प्रोन गोष्ट अजून कोणती असू शकत नाही. आणि आता आम्ही सरकार आणि ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशनच्या गायडन्सने याला पूर्ण देशभरात घेऊन जाणार.
This is a really good model. When we were drafting the aggregator policy as per the Honorable Supreme Court order, Mr. Rawade, he represented the committee, and we found that this is a really good model. As the Honorable Minister has mentioned that in the traditional model, the income to the driver is very less, number one. In this model, it's the income to the driver almost 2.5 to 3 times. And moreover, they are no remain the drivers, they are the owner. And I think I congratulate the Honorable Minister for that, for his really visionary idea. And I'm pretty sure that the model itself it is an inherently strong model, so it will go all across the country.
thank you so
All
much.
the all five. And again, congratulations to the Honorable Minister.